Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I just have a shaker cards project share to show you guys. And I love making these kinds of cards. I don't know if you guys seen my previous, one of my older videos. Well, not old, I guess it was last year, I think. It was a fall themed card just like this, but instead of saying merry or instead of saying love, it said fall. And I showed you guys how to make it, like with the shaker part and everything and all that fun stuff. So I'm going to actually link that video in the description box down below in case you guys want to learn how to make your own shaker card, slimline card, just like this. So this one's just a little different because it says merry, and then I have one that says love instead of fall, but same process, same idea. So if you guys want to learn how to make it, definitely check that out. I'm going to walk you guys through what paper I used for all of these merry cards because I just love it. I had a little bit of a scrap last year with this paper and I made one of these cards and I fell in love with it. I just really like how that kind of background looks. So I ordered a bunch of this single sheet paper, and this paper is from Christmas Delivery. It's called Christmas Floral. Here's the item number. I will also link this down below in case you guys want to get this piece of paper specifically. This is the back side of it, so also great for Christmas. But I've been using this side, obviously, as you guys can see on all my cards. Now, the one different one is this one, which I will talk about in just a little bit. That'll be the last one I do. But for these ones, let me show you guys also the products that I used. So I used these flowers from Hobby Lobby. They are not available online right now, so I can't link it, but they have them every single year and I stock up on them. Once they have them back, I'll try to link it. So if it's Christmas season and you're watching this video, then let me know and I could find it and link it. If I'm posting this like in the summer or whatever, then they don't have these available yet. But, you know, if it's closer to, I mean, maybe towards the end of the summer or like September, they might have it posted available. So I'll be able to link it. But these are the flowers that I use for these. They also have a silver, but I ran out and I used them on here. So those are the poinsettia flowers I use from Hobby Lobby. The pink flowers and like some of these other smaller red ones, those are from Little Birdie Crafts, and I will have those linked down below as well. And then I used a variety of sequin mixes, which I will show you guys up close in just a little bit when I go through these cards. But when I make sequin mixes for my shop, I always have some leftover that I keep for myself. And so that's what I used. I used up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things of sequin mixes. They weren't full packs, not all of them. Some of them I mixed and matched. And I'll try to talk about those. But some of the ones that I did use that I actually labeled are Hey Santa, Holiday Cheer, and Snowflake. So if you guys see those in my shop and you guys want to get them, then you could stock up. I think one of these was also Evergreen Cabin, this one, because I see some black in it. And then there was like a pink one in here that I also see. I think this one was something Sleigh Bells or something, because that one's got little jingle bells in it. So I don't remember all the names for sure, but I will walk you guys through that. If you are looking to purchase any of these cards, I do also have them available in my Etsy shop. So I will have that link down below to where you could purchase either the Valentine's Day shaker card or the Christmas card. There's going to be 2 links there, one for Valentine's, one for Christmas. So if you guys want to purchase any of these, you guys could check out the links down below as well for my Etsy shop. I will also link my sequins that I have available in my Etsy shop. I'll link that down below. So in case you guys want to shop for sequins, you could do that. I'm always updating it and making different mixes. So you'll have to just keep checking back when I have more, or you can see what I currently have and whatnot. But anyway, here is one of the cards that I made. Everything on the inside is blank, but they all have like that red layer with the exception of the Valentine's Day one. They have that paper, and I love that it's textured. I don't know if you guys could tell, but it is textured paper. I cut out the words merry, and again, if you guys want to see how to do that, there's a video on it. I have the poinsettia flowers, this greenery here. These are like the long fake things from Dollar Tree, and yes, I stocked up on those too because I use them often with my Christmas And then these little flowers are the Little Birdie Crafts. So that's what that one looks like. And this sequin mix is Evergreen Cabin from my Etsy shop. So cute. They're just slimline cards like that, and I love them. So there's that one. There's this one. I think this one might be Holiday Cheer for the sequin mix, I think. You can see there's little peppermint candies in this one, and some bigger greens and some gold snowflakes I see. So because this one doesn't have any silver, I did just the gold flowers. I got a red poinsettia, white. They all have the red and the white, I believe, except for that pink one. And they all have the greenery, so they're very, very similar. And then this Christmas little flag, I just printed. I made it in my silhouette program, printed it, and then had my silhouette cutting machine cut them out. This one is a mix of something, I think. No, maybe this one is Snowflake. This one might be Snowflake for the sequin mix, because I see some pink in here. I think Snowflake had some pinks. So I think this one is Snowflake and gold flowers, and everything else is the same, but you guys could get an idea of the sequin mix. This one is, what was the other one? Hey Santa. So this mix is Hey Santa mixed with another one I had in my Etsy shop as well. So this one's a mix. It's not purely Hey Santa, whereas this one is purely Hey Santa. So if you guys could see here, this one's got little like blue snowflakes. I know that's from another mix that I had from my shop. So you could still mix and match sequin mixes, because that's what I did. If I was running out of one, I just mixed it with another, and there you go. So this one's just Hey Santa, and this one's a mix of Hey Santa and some other one. But otherwise, they look fairly similar. So there's those two. I think this one is also Evergreen Cabin. Mixed with, I think this is mixed with another one, because this one, yeah, this one's also mixed. So this one also has little candy canes in here. This one, regular Evergreen Cabin, doesn't. So I mixed this with some other one that I had. Like I said, I don't have, like when I make them for myself, I just basically put whatever's left over in like a little baggie for myself, and so I just end up mixing and matching them. But when you get them from my shop, you get like at least 10 grams. So the bag is like packed with sequins. Yeah, so this one's a mix because there's little teeny, if you could see that, little like candy canes mixed with Evergreen Cabin. This one is a mix with Hey Santa and whatever this one is. No, not this one. It's still, yeah, this one. Yep. So this one's a mix of Hey Santa and whatever this pink one was with the bells. I don't know the names because, again, when I run out, I don't remake them often. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. So I'm still telling you guys the names in case I have them back in stock and in case you guys want that specific one. Otherwise, just to check out my Etsy shop for whatever else I do have available. But yeah, this one is also another mixed one. And it's so cute. So this one's got a little pink flower because there is some more pink in here than some of the others. So I did that one instead. And I did a red glitter flower here instead of like gold or silver, because in here is rose gold and not silver. So that's why I did that. Then this one is just Hey Santa. So it's just reds, like a emerald green, minty green, and pinks. And the red is like not a lot of red because Hey Santa doesn't have a lot of red. This one was that bell one. Like I told you guys, there's little bells in there, if you guys could see. And all of these are fun shaker cards. So yeah, so there's that one. This one is all Hey Santa. Another Hey Santa one. And then this one is, I think this one's Snowflake. Yeah, I think this is another Snowflake one. And so the last one I made, I started making this one in February, and I couldn't figure out how I wanted this card to look. Like I cut out the pieces of that very colorful hearts paper and the pink paper. I cut those two out, and I was like, I don't know what to do with this card. I couldn't figure it out. And it just came to me when I was making these ones that I wanted to add a vellum piece here, kind of just like taking away a little bit from that busy, super busy background paper. So adding a little vellum layer. Then I cut out the words love, added a outline layer for that as well. And then just decorated with the flowers like I do. But these ones, instead of using greenery from like Dollar Tree, I die cut out some leafy bits that I had. So that's a die, metal die. And then these two flowers, or I think this one is from Little Birdie Crafts. I'm not sure about this one. And then these are just little roses that I have. I think that might be from AliExpress. But I think that turned out so cute. And this is just another mix of 2 sequin mixes that I had in my shop for Valentine's Day. It's a mix of like a red one with like white and a purpley one. So I mixed 2 together for this one as well. But yeah, that is what I made. Some of these are also available in my Etsy shop. So in case you guys want to get some, you guys could check out my Etsy shop and get some of your early shopping done for Christmas and the Christmas cards. So I do have some of these available. Some of them are already sold, but some of them are available. So you guys could check it out in the description box down below. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this project share video. Check out the tutorial also if you guys want to know how to make one. And I will see you guys in my next video. Talk to you soon. Bye.